welcome to Flavors of New York. We're here with Corrado at Ivana's and Paulie Gee, right?
I love this place.
This place is really authentic.
Place.
And behind us, we have all the authentic stuff for the carabineras, right? Tell us a little bit about the place and
Well, we opened up in '77. I was a young kid, 10 years old. My dad, actually, this was the first day he opened right here. We've been here ever since. We tried never to change the recipe. He was an Italian cop, wanted to try something new, came out here, loved making pizza, and called Italy and said, I'm not coming back.
carabiniere, not a cop. Carabiniere.
Carabiniere, yes.
And why is it called Ivana's?
Ivana's is my mom.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes. That
Oh,
that's
you
why I
get
want to
me
get
in
to
trouble. I didn't name my place after my wife.
Oh, you're going to have problems when you get home.
Yeah, it's a great authentic place here. Everyone in the whole neighborhood only talks about their pizza. It's a constant thing. And I love that he has all the carabiniere, the memorabilia on the wall.
Yeah,
It's
he's
been
still
very
he's
much-
still the president of the association,
Yeah.
the Italian Police Association.
which is amazing.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite slice here?
Honestly, I like the old original, nice regular cheese pizza.
With me.
I'm not a fancy guy, I just like the old original.
I agree. I like it.
If
I
you
saw
had-
it. Looks great.
Yeah, we have a lot of different ones. We cater to the meat, the vegetables, this, that, but I like the original cheesy pizza. A little crispy on the bottom, old school style.
And we're gonna both try. Perfect. So Paulie, we're going for this, babe, right?
Yeah, let's go. Oh,
We have a little.
very hot. Very hot. We better wait a minute. We don't want to burn the roof of our mouth.
That's a nice pizza.
Look at that. I guess we can go.
This one's not as hot.
So I came on this side because I'm used to being on this side. I used to be on the other side, not on that
Here we
side.
go. You ready?
Salud.
I'm burning my hand here.
Ooh, here we go. Too good to talk.
Just enough little golden brown. Just enough. Don't go more. Don't go less.
No. Yeah.
So good.
I love that it's
One more bite.
not that it's
Original recipe.
It's an American more than, you know what I mean? Like, it's American Italian, but a really good one. Cheese is amazing. So is the sauce. Oh, we still gotta eat the other pizza.
They show.
We gotta get the risotto.
Oh. That's great flavor. Spinach is fantastic.
I like the cheese.
Spinach is.
I like the cheese.
Like them both. I like to ask, but I'd rather eat. But you know what? I want to know about those boots.
The boots go back a long time, and we've been asked by some people, why don't you change it? Why don't you go with tables? Why don't you go? You know what? I don't want to change it. I like it like this.
Don't ever change. But if you ever do, I'll give you my number. You call me.
You got
I
it.
want those
Oh, it's been
boots.
some.
You know
I'm
what?
gonna keep on eating because the pizza's so good.
Okay.
Question about Arthur Avenue. Being here and being part of this amazing community. You have anything to say about it?
No, it's definitely a one and only kind of place. We've grown up here, me and my brother, since we were little kids. We've always been around, and it's just a family-oriented
Always
neighborhood.
here.
Everybody knows everybody. The grandmothers know us since we were small. We know them. We try to take care of each other. We're always helping each other out. All the store owners are all like a family. That's the nice thing
And you
about
do a
it.
lot for the carabiniere, which
We
is
do
amazing.
a lot for the Carabinieri, the Italian Police. We do a lot for the neighborhood.
St.
We do a lot-
Carmel's, some church, and
Mount
everything.
Carmel Church, we take care of a lot also. And don't forget Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, we're known for our big heart-shaped pizzas. We get orders, we start getting them all month. The whole month of February, we make heart-shaped pizzas. We've been on TV and everything else. We were one of the first to do that.
Thank you so much for letting us come into your house.
Thank
you, all you guys, for really an amazing family here, and you've introduced an amazing pizza and amazing product here. From Flavors of New York, I'm Mama G.
And I'm Paulie Gee.
We're at Ivana's on Arthur Avenue. See you next time. I gotta keep on eating, sorry.
Ciao for now.